The Imposition feature gives you complete control over how the printed image is arranged on your custom size of media. The layout of this business card is the standard 3.5 by 2, but to increase efficiency, we will impose multiple copies of that card onto a larger sheet. Another way to impose this is by adjusting the columns and rows to 3 by 4, which will impose 12 business cards evenly on the page. Drag the placeholder around to position it where you want. Adjusting the gutters will increase or decrease the amount of space between the cards. An easy way to impose as many cards as will fit is selecting maximum ups. Crop marks show where to cut the cards, meanwhile full bleed enlarges the image just enough to expand past the crop marks and ensure a full trim image. To further increase production, load a bigger media, in this case 11 by 17 paper. The Dutch cut selection will rotate some of the cards for the maximum fit. To save this as a template for further use, select Save As and give the template a name. It can now be used to easily load those same imposition settings to new jobs.